Iyong GMC Denali 2023 model 5.3 liter. So sobrang presko pa guys, no? So ito ay used vehicle. So mas maganda pa talaga to, preskong presko guys. Maliit pa yung kanyang mileage. So tingnan natin. Ayan.
Welcome to Sirius XM. It's all you ever need to hear everything you want.
Yung mileage niya ay nasa 33,349 pa. So ayan, tingnan natin.
And you can hear every MLB game. Shohei Ohtani unloads. Plus, your hometown announcers are always on the Sirius XM Health Teams. You gotta love.
Okay, so kita nyo naman guys. Sobrang presko yan guys. So tingnan natin yung engine guys. Tingnan natin. Yan. Ayan. So okay. So naka 33,349. So kung kailangan nyo, kung malapit lang kayo dito, kunin nyo na to guys. Sobrang presko guys. Tingnan natin yung engine. Okay, let's go. Off na natin. Oh, naka ano na yung shifter niya. Ina-upgrade na yan guys. Yung so off na natin. Battery. So okay lang yan. Palitan natin yan. So inspection natin yan guys. Wow. Sobrang presko pa yan. Hanggang tagas-tagas yan guys. Okay. Goods. Battery. Yan. Walang katagas-tagas yan. Yung all goods.